Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your DashPass subscription on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash app and sign into your account. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom corner. Go to Settings. Here you'll see the DashPass section that says Get $0 delivery fees with DashPass or shows your active DashPass membership. Tap on it to open your subscription details. Scroll down until you see the Manage Membership or Cancel Membership option. Tap Cancel Membership. DoorDash may ask why you're canceling your subscription. You can choose any reason or simply skip this step if it's available. After that, confirm that you want to cancel your DashPass membership. You'll continue to enjoy your DashPass benefits until the end of your current billing period, and you won't be charged again unless you reactivate the subscription. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you may need to cancel your subscription from your device's subscription settings instead of the DoorDash app. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your DashPass subscription on DoorDash. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.